Hi guys, people out here. Okay, I'm just here to teach you guys the new strategy that you should use these days, since most of the news are always rejecting, right? So this strategy will be used by you whenever I tell you that manipulation will occur. And this strategy will always grow people's account, because whenever there is manipulation, it gives us chance to kill the market. Okay, so what is it that you gotta know with this strategy? Okay, what you gotta know with this strategy is that we only trade the news that rejects. Okay, news that rejects like NFP, news that rejects like AUD interest rate, news that rejects like the rest of them. I will try to mention them to you guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is that I will not give you guys a list of those news. No, I will just tell you when it's time for you to use the strategy. Okay, because these days even the trusted news release does reject, so it means I have to analyze the market and see if there is a possibility of rejection or not. Okay, so let me just go ahead and teach you the strategy, guys. Okay, the strategy is as follows, right? Let's say this is the news release candle. Okay, what's gonna happen is that when the news comes, they will shoot up, or they will go to the opposite direction of the true move first before they can issue out their true direction. Okay, so here the news went up first, right? Paused, and spread started to increase, right? So when the news goes up first, right, and then not all the news that rejects, right, provided that I told you that the news will reject, you have to wait for them to give you a direction first. Afterwards, wait for those news release to pause, and then take a trade in the opposite direction of the first move. And then when the news rejects, you will see profit, and then you will see a lot of profit. Okay, because you're gonna be gaining 2 times the pips of the candle of the news release. I hope you get what I'm saying. If you enter here, you enter a sell here, this news will reject with you, and then you'll get out here, right? So what you do is that you wait for the news to go up first, pauses, and then you take a sell. Okay, in this case, we waited for the news to go up. Afterwards, they paused. Okay, after pausing, right? After pausing, we took a sell, and then the news started to reject, right? So this candle was green before. When the candle rejects, you keep taking sells, right? You sell, and then when the candle starts to be red, changes its color from green to red, you also take a sell again. It will change the color here where it started, where the news started, and then you take a sell. Meaning that you will have so many cells alongside the candle, right? You keep taking cells, and then when the market rejects, you will triple your account or you will double your account. It's so easy, right? What you gotta do is that you gotta use the strategy that I gave you for AUD for other news release. Okay. For NFP, for AUD, for the news that rejects, we use this same strategy. We wait for the market to give us a direction, and then we take a trade in the opposite direction of the first direction. Okay? Meaning that if the news start by selling, we're gonna buy. And if they start by going up, we're gonna sell. Okay? Let me try to get another example so that you guys can understand. Okay? See, let's say this is the news release candle here, right? And then it started by going down, okay? We're going to take buys here. We're going to take buys, and then the candle will reject, and start being green and go up. So when this candle is here, pauses here, we take a sell. Let's say it started like this. We take a buy here because the news showed us red first. We take a buy. From there, the news will reject, we take a buy again here, and then the candle will keep going up. Okay, that's the example. Like if it's here, okay, we're gonna take buy. Okay, after taking buy, our buy trade will be somewhere there, and then this will reject. So when it rejects, it will give you profit. It will keep rejecting, and then when it comes here, this side, we take a buy again, it will go up. Okay, there were no news. I'm just showing you. Okay, so let's continue. Let's continue. Let me just check a trade. I think I've saw one. Okay, here's another one. Okay, here I'm teaching you guys to benefit with the market makers while they're busy manipulating people's trades, right? Here in this case, it was on Friday for the news. We waited for this candle to go up first. When it came here, it paused, and then we took a sell, and then it came down, and when it started to change its color from green to red, we took another sell, and then we went out here and we made money. Okay, let's continue. Okay, I also saw one on USD CAD. Okay, I also saw one on USD CAD. Let me show you. Okay, here's another one. Okay, we waited for the market to go up first, and then when it started to pause here, we took a sell, and when it started to reject, we also took a sell. We took a sell, and then the news rejected, and when the candle started to change from green to red, we took a sell again. That's so simple. Okay, I hope you understand, because it's very, very, very simple. Peace, guys. It's simple. You wait for the candle to go up first, and then you take a sell. If it goes down first, you take a buy. It's very, very simple. It's like NFP. NFP, we also trade it this way. You wait for the candle to go up first. If it goes up first, you take a sell. If it goes down first, you take a buy. Okay, I hope you understand this, because it's very, very easy and profitable. Peace, guys.